How to restore Instagram deleted photos. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos like this. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram, and here if you delete your post, then you can recover by following this simple step. So first of all, you can see the hamburger option in the right upper corner. Simply tap on that. After that, you will be able to see the your activity option. Tap on that. After that, scroll down below and look for the recently deleted option. Tap on that, and if you have recently deleted the photos, then you can easily restore them. But make sure you won't be able to restore after the 30 days. So in order to restore, you have to simply click on the post, and here in the right lower bottom corner you can see the more option. Simply tap on that. After that, you'll be able to see the restore option over here. You have to simply tap on the restore option and your post will be restored. So by following this simple step, you can easily restore your Instagram deleted photos. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.